So I guess vacation is technically beginning. I am off work. I'm at home packing up all my stuff that I want to take with me. Seeing what I want. No, I want all the batteries. All of the batteries. I don't really use the phone often.
Change on the airplane?
I don't know. Like how much change? What do you mean?
Like change? Like a bunch?
I don't know. Like is it rolled up already?
Yeah.
Put it in your carry-on. Then you should be fine. Probably gonna get security check though. Like what is all these rolls out of nowhere inside your bag?
It's called I'm broke, yo.
Crazy questions from the wife.
Surprise. Think I'll get stopped by security?
Probably. Why don't you just put that in your bag? That way you just check it and it won't be an issue. It'll be underneath. Plus it won't be heavy. Carrying around in your carry.
No, but my bag is like 44 pounds.
Have you weighed it?
Yeah.
Is that what it weighed on a scale?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably not 7 more pounds, maybe. Maybe it is.
It's close. Ah!
Don't drop it on your foot.
Can you give me those dimes?
What dimes?
And the dimes?
Put that back in the camera bag. Yeah. There you go.
Thanks. Alright, upstairs, go. Come on.
First beer in 2 weeks.
Must be nice.
Oh, it is. It's really good.
Does that mean I'm driving?
No, I'm having a beer.
Ooh.
Maybe 2. But I gave up drinking beer and soda. I drank like a soda like 2 weeks ago, but it's been like a month and I've only had like 1 or 2 sodas total. But yeah, beer 2 weeks ago, and maybe 3 at this point. I don't really remember actually. But I bought my first soda today because, again, it's officially vacation time. So I'm like, the diet is over. But anyways, I drank a cherry Coke today, and it was not good. Like, I thought it was going to be like, oh my God, it's been so long. I love this. And I was like, oh, this is nasty. Like, it didn't taste good at all. But anyways, the beer, on the other hand, that's tasted delicious. I missed that one. The DJI Mavic Pro. This is an extra gimbal. That's the front-facing sensors and the outside of the gimbal pieces, and the cord that came off of it broke. I've had to replace the gimbal twice already. So I got so scared last year on vacation that I bought replacement parts for everything basically. Like there I got an extra cord for the gimbal. Got an extra gimbal itself. That way there, if I'm on vacation and something fails, speaking of which I need that, because that's how I'm going to repair it. But if the gimbal fails while I'm on vacation, I have replacement parts for it. I ain't running into that issue again. Let's see here. What else do I want to take with me? The suction cup came in handy last time. 100% want my grill pod. This is my new favorite thing I bought. Like I've already said that I think it's ridiculous how long it took me to get on board with buying the actual gorilla pod, and it is the coolest little mount ever, and it stays exactly. It don't matter how. I mean, you can push down on it hard before it starts to buckle. It is worth every penny that you pay for these things, compared to like the one the GoPro sitting on now, or the other ones at the shop, because it's just sitting in the corner now. So I'm like, oh, that was a stupid waste of money. Let's get the suction cup in here somewhere. I don't need that. I want the light. That would be a good one to have. I only use the 4 if I'm underwater. Maybe, I doubt I'll even use the 4, but just in case, I don't feel like I can leave it here. This is a camera I bought for my brother. He said he wanted to GoPro, so I bought him this Vivitar for Christmas one year because it was cheap or whatever. And it is crap. Like, he gave it back to me. He's like, I don't know about that one. So I kept it and I used it a couple times, and it is terrible. Get the chest, the floaty back. Boom. Problem solved. We'll go right there. I know 100% want this tripod. I want this one. That's for my 360 camera. I want to take a few of these, at least 3. That sounds good. I don't have the grill in there yet. The grill, I guess I'll carry with myself for now. I don't want that in my bag. I want it in this bag somewhere, but I'm running out of space. Feeling like Casey. Just unorganized stuff it in the bag. Peter would be disappointed.